No food? Already? This can't be happening.
All right, no more waiting. Let's go find lunch.
Welcome to today's vlog. Mission: find the perfect wild lunch. I've got a good feeling about this trail.
Ugh. Nope. Definitely not food. What was I thinking?
All I wanted was a little taste. You didn't have to send the whole army.
Maybe this was a bad idea. I could have just taken a nap. But no, I had to try. This is the best day of my life. I can't believe this place is real. There it is. That's what I've been looking for. Wild, golden, magic.
Even in the wild, a good meal is better when it's shared. See you next time.